Hello all my friends. In today's video I'm going to show you how I seasoned turkey wings that makes everybody long for more. Whenever they eat my turkey wings, they always say that, oh Ruth, I want more turkey wings. How did you season it? So in today's video I'm going to show you how. So don't go away, let's cook together. This is Ruth and you're highly welcome. First, I have 7 pieces of turkey wings already washed. I will add thyme to taste, seasoning to taste, fresh garlic to taste, dry parsley to taste, chopped onions to taste, black pepper to taste. I will add curry powder to taste. Obviously, there will be salt, so I will add salt to taste, everyone. Next, I will add more onions. If you like more onions, do the same. I will add dry ginger to taste. Next, I will mix this to combine. Mix with a glove because of the chili. Mix until all the spices blends together with the turkey wings so that your turkey wings is well seasoned. Next, I will add bay leaf to taste. Then I will cover and put on inside the freezer for 24 hours. Next day, I will get a clean pot, pour in my already seasoned turkey, and then cook on a low heat for 10 minutes to simmer. After 10 minutes, I will increase the heat to 20 minutes on a medium heat to cook. After 20 minutes, our turkey wings is ready, and this is what it looks like. Next, I will grill this for 20 minutes on a medium heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is what our turkey wings look like. Garnish with any veggie of your choice. Believe me, everyone, believe me, all my dear friends, this is very tasty. When you eat these turkey wings, you will long for more. It is very tasty, well seasoned, nice flavored turkey wings. All right, everyone, all my dear subscribers, thank you so very much for your support, all your comments, all your like. And if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please do stay connected. Comment, like, subscribe and share. Stay connected. More videos are updated every week on this channel. All right, stay safe, stay connected always. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.